we are going to make some chocolate coconut pecan lactation cookies. Let's go. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and this is Zeta. And on this channel, I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So, a lot of you loved my lactation cookie video, and I thought, what's better than having multiple flavor varieties? So, lactation cookies 2.0, and these ones are going to be chocolate with coconut flakes, pecans, and mini chocolate chips. As always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. Oat flour, hot water, coconut flakes, coconut sugar, cocoa powder, pecans, melted coconut oil, flaxseed, brewer's yeast, salt, baking soda, and vanilla, and mini chocolate chips. These cookies are actually vegan and gluten-free, so we won't have any eggs or dairy products in these particular cookies. So instead of eggs, we are using flax meal and hot water to make a flax egg. So this is the first step. You'll want to go ahead and do this a little bit ahead of time so that the flax can start to congeal. So you just stir the hot water and the flax meal together and set it aside. So flax is a wonderful milk supply booster. It makes your breast milk extra healthy as well. That is why we use flax instead of eggs. You can also use chia seeds because those are also a great lactation supplement. Okay, so next step, you're going to need a mixing bowl. Any mixing bowl will do. And we're going to combine the sugar and the coconut oil. Now, coconut anything is a wonderful supply booster. So we have 3 different versions of coconut here: coconut oil, coconut sugar, and some shredded coconut. Because coconut. So we're gonna combine our coconut oil and our coconut sugar. Now to that, we're going to add our vanilla extract. This is just for flavor. The brewer's yeast, and our flax eggs, which should have congealed by now. As you can see, they're kind of blue. Now, in a separate bowl, we're going to combine the dry ingredients. So we have oat flour. If you are gluten intolerant, make sure you get gluten-free oats. And oats are a fabulous supply booster. Honestly, a bowl of oatmeal will fix anything. What I did is I just ground up some oats really fine. That's how I made my oat flour. Go ahead and add your cocoa powder and baking soda and salt. Give it a good stir. So now you're going to add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture and give it a good stir until a dough forms. So now we're going to add in all of the additions. You can put whatever you want into these, but I thought chocolate, chip, coconut, and pecan would be a great cookie. So that's what we're going with. You can also toast your coconut and pecans first if you want them extra coconutty and pecan. Now you'll want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to scoop these cookies onto a baking sheet lined with either a silicone mat or a piece of parchment paper. You'll want to use a small-ish cookie scoop and just scoop them into little mounds about 2 inches apart. Now we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, and you'll want to rotate the pans halfway in between baking so that you get a nice even bake on all of your cookies. It's gonna be a little harder to tell when they're done because you won't be able to tell if they're brown, but you want to look for them to be looking set up-ish in the middle, and just aim for that 10 minutes. Check them then. If you want crunchier cookies, go for 12 minutes. Cookies have finished baking, and now there's nothing left to do but to try them. You want to try one? Alright, grab your cookie. I'm going to try one too because I haven't tried these ones yet.
Oh, the fattest one.
That's good. That's like a brownie and a cookie and a German chocolate cake all mixed together, and they're good for you. So why not make them, right? These are delicious. Make sure you try them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you might also really love these brownies right over here, these lactation brownies. They are delicious, wonderful recipe, so go check it out. And if you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below because we would love to hear from you, and share it with all of your friends. See you guys next time.